Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we are making? Yes, you guessed it right. We're making beef chili. Let's get started. The ingredients for the chili would need 1 to 2 pounds of beef. We would need a big container of tomato sauce. I will put the ingredient in the description and the measurements also. This tomato sauce I picked up that has basil, garlic, and oregano. We will also need pinto beans, kidney beans. We will need all different color peppers, onions, avocado for the topping, green onions for the toppings. We will also need green chilies, fresh tomatoes. The spices will be paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt. You can use regular salt. I like to use sea salt, and also cumin powder. And also we would need oil and vegetable broth. You can use chicken or beef, whatever you like. Let's get started, guys. So I have chopped up everything that we need. The bell peppers, the onions, the celery, the green peppers, scallion, and 1 tablespoon of each spices. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. And add our meat. You have to brown up your meat. Make sure it looks like this when it's browned up. It should take like 5 minutes to get this brown. After that, you take this out in another plate so you can saute our vegetables. Alright, I took out the meat. I'm just gonna put a bit of that oil for our vegetables. So let's add in the onion. Saute them just about a minute or two. It smells so good in here already. I love the onion smells when you're cooking them. The whole smells like something yummy cooking in the house. I have added all the peppers, onions, celery, except the tomato and the green onions. So you can saute them for good 5 to 7 minutes. And now I'm gonna add the seasoning. This will bring up all the flavors. How beautiful this looks! Oh my god, beautiful colors. After 7 minutes, it should look like this. Now we're gonna add our ground beef. Dump it all in. Mix it in. Now look at this, guys. This looks delicious already. Now we're gonna add the beans, and the beans, and then kidney beans. I've washed them already. And everything. Guys, tell me if that doesn't look good. Now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. And also 2 cups of the broth. We like our chili a little bit thicker, but you can add like more tomato sauce, you can add more broth if you like yours a little bit soupy. I'm gonna let it cook for good half an hour and then I'll check on it again. After half an hour, it should look like this. Now we're just gonna add some tomatoes and the scallions. I add the tomatoes all the way at the end because I don't want tomato to dissolve in there. So I like it a little bit chunky. So we'll let it cook for 10 more minutes and then we'll serve. Okay guys, after 10 minutes it should look like this and we are ready to plate. Plate right here. Gonna put some salsa that I made. It has bell peppers, onions, avocado, tomatoes, anything you like. It's one of my favorites on chili. And then dab of sour cream. And we can't leave the good part out. Some shredded cheese. And for the crunch, I'm gonna put some tortilla chips. And I like hot sauce or Tabasco. A couple dots of that. And guys, our chili is ready to dig in. Guys, try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Please subscribe, share, and like, and let me know what should I make next in the comment below. I'm sorry for the sounds in the back. I had my washing machine on. So alright guys, see you on my next video. Bye.